Yeah, this is my Triton V10, a 2000 Triton V10. I had a bit of a stumble, hesitation, almost like a misfire. I originally thought it was my throttle position sensor, which is right here. This little clip, push those clips in, that connector comes off, and this whole thing is so easy to test. It's hardly even hard to find videos on it. It's so easy, but my problem was not there. My problem was being, I had hooked a code reader up to it. My problem ended up being this PVC vacuum hose that goes from the top of the manifold on the passenger side over to the back of the throttle body right here. It's about 12 inches long. But mine, I don't know if that's way on everybody's, has a huge thick rubber insulation on it to protect it, because from what I understand, these hoses have a tendency to get really dry from all the heat coming off the manifold, crack, split. And it's very difficult for me to even hear it. Definitely couldn't see it with all this insulation on the hose. But I kind of did a little bit of a little bit of a hissing noise. I took this whole hose off, which is about 12 inches long. Went down to the auto parts store, got a new hose, put it on there, and solved the problem. About a $2 fix, and if I had known what it would have been about a 2-minute job. But I hope this helps somebody else out. But got a little bit of a hesitation, a stumble, misfire, check that hose out right there. Because I think from what I understand on forums, it can be problematic.